So we're gonna do this in video in two parts, but today we're gonna talk about how to repair when you have like a hole in your canvas. So right in here, there's like a ridge, and then there's like this little gash in here. I don't even know how it got in there, and it looks like it's built up on the one side, on the top side, right here, a little bit. And Tom's question was like, how do I even that out, or what do I do about it? So the top part, you might want to scrape any of this ridge off. That would be the first thing. But I don't think we can scrape enough to repair this kind of weird hole in here. I don't know how the hole got there. It's kind of strange, but sometimes you get like a little gash in your ground. You know, there'll be like a little kind of hole or something. You get this weird ridge you can't do anything about. You can't do much about it right now, but what I'm going to recommend doing is this, and this might look like I'm creating more of a problem, and maybe I am. But what will happen here is if you stipple this in here this way, I actually put too much on there, but that's fine because we can take it off. Yeah, it's like you're kind of filling it in with putty. But you're going to let this dry in the gash. You're going to let it dry. You stippled it. So when you come in next time, and when we come in for part 2 of this very exciting cliffhanger of a video series, you know, I can show you what to do with that when it dries next time. And we might have to go on for another layer, which is be amazing, because then we could do a 3-part series, and that'll be exciting. It'll be like, you know, at the end of the TV show, and somebody's like hanging off a cliff, and then it's a cliffhanger. Yeah. All right, so that's what we do. We fill it in, and we do the pat. And it's gonna create a little ridge in there, and then we're gonna flatten it out next time, and hopefully that the body of paint we put in there, which by the way was just toothpaste style paint. It was just this stuff right out of the tube. There was no oil added. And we're going to see if that fills it in. Yeah, until next time.